In our last video, we came up with this rule. The rule says the altitude drawn to the hypotenuse, which in this picture would be the segment marked as x, is the geometric mean between the two parts of the hypotenuse. Well, the whole hypotenuse is shown in red there. It's 9, and it's been divided up into pieces that are 3 and 6, allegedly, by this x. So the question is, let's find the value of x using the rule. Okay, well, if x is the geometric mean between the two parts of the hypotenuse, 3 and 6, then it must satisfy the equation 3 over x equals x over 6. If you don't understand that particular equation, you need to go back and look at the video on geometric means, because I've just applied the definition of geometric mean. Cross multiplying, we get x squared equals 3 times 6, which is 18. X is the square root of 18, which in unsimplified form is the final answer. If we're going to simplify this, then that's the square root of 9, because 9 is a perfect square, times the square root of 2, or 3 square root 2. Okay, I'm going to change the drawing a little bit, and we'll try one more example on this rule. This time, let's make the altitude a number. Let's make it 10. Let's make one of the parts of the hypotenuse, let's just call it y, and the other part of the hypotenuse we'll make 20. And we're trying to find the value of y this time. Well, it's the same rule. The rule doesn't change because the information changes. The altitude, which in this case is the 10, is the geometric mean between the two parts of the hypotenuse, which are the y and the 20. So again, using the definition of geometric mean, if 10 is the geometric mean between y and 20, then y over 10 equals 10 over 20. That would be 20y equals 10 times 10, which is 100. Dividing both sides by 20 gives us y equals 5. In our next videos, we're going to look at the rule about the legs being geometric means.